about it, Yasharal? You got your ear on this morning? How about your eyes? You got your eyes on? If you don't want to look at something because it inconveniences you or you're frightened, you don't want to hear about it because you ain't got time, you got to make that money, you got to deal with some stock market crap right now. You ain't worried about all this real reality tribulation crap right now. I know, I'm just trying to make people scared, huh? I'm just a psychopath that wants to scare and frighten people. You can deal with that on Sunday in Sunday school, and then the rest of the other 6 days of the week, you ain't got time. I know. I'm sorry for bugging you. Here, just check this out. Shalom, Yasharal. Who in the class thought that was kind of catchy? Raise your hand. Nobody? Well, I thought it was kind of catchy. And creative. Not. Did you like those shirts they had on though? You know what I thought of when I saw those people standing in that parking lot wearing those proud shirts, labeling them? The battle is between the Most High, His Son, and His children, and the evil one and his associates. But we forget about the wheat and the tares. And the way I see it, everyone, it doesn't matter if you go to a Hebrew Roots assembly, an Assembly of God, Pentecostal, Methodist, Baptist, Catholic, TO, Christian, whatever. This is between the wheat and the tares. And the tares, when I see them, they look like they have those shirts that those people in the parking lot had on. Proud. Woe to the crown of pride, Ephraim, who sits on the Fat Valley, Silicon Valley. But what I want to mention to y'all real quick, while I got a minute, there is no way that you could honestly say that the Most High is going to let someone in who has made a lifestyle out of mocking and scoffing his children who truly love him and who are working hard for his kingdom and for their fellow man, and who sincerely wish for no one to perish. That's why they're putting out such effort. They plead with people who absolutely wouldn't give a thought if they ran them over and watched them bleed out on the ground. They'd probably make a TikTok about it. The truly humble still pleads for those people's soul. I don't pray for my enemies so that they get heaping hot coals dumped on their head. I pray for them because I don't want them to die. I don't want them to have to go through that time of gnashing their teeth. But these people who go to church on Sunday, twice on Sunday and once on Wednesday, or Shabbat services on Saturday, and they write books and they have prayer meetings, but yet they can't talk about the times we're in. Like Yahusha said, how is it that you can see a cloud and know it's going to rain, but you can't even decide, you can't even discern what times you're living in? You can't judge for yourself what is right. Those people are tares. Bless their heart. You know, I love them, and like I just said, I wish no ill will on no one. Not my worst enemy. I don't even have one. I have people who I am their enemy, and for no reason. And I could prove this to you. It's just, like I said, it comes down between wheat and tares. The tares can smell you. They can smell Yahuwah on you. You ain't even got to do nothing. You could hand them a basket full of Benjamins, and they'd still want to kill you. You could give them a glass of water after they've crawled through the Mojave Desert and they're about to die, and they would have died if you hadn't quenched their thirst. It's demonic. And that's how I am able to tell you what I just told you with confidence. Some people act like the Most High is just supposed to let everybody into the kingdom. Like Dawood said, you're not even like that. You are expecting the Most High to do things that you yourself would not do. You're not going to let a prideful person in, one who would mock and scoff your children and yourself. You're not going to want to live with that person. Why do you think the Most High does? He doesn't. Those people, like Yahusha said, you cannot pluck them out right now. You can't uproot those tares. Why? Because the wheat and the tares have to be grown up together. While us wheat are growing up, we're being sharpened by those tares growing up with us. If they weren't here, we would never have the means to grow. and coming to that realization that, yeah, your loved ones who are prideful and worldly, whether they want to admit it or not, the proof's in the pudding. Those people, yeah, you love them. Yeah, you wish no ill will towards them. But the fact is, they are tares. Their names are not written in the Lamb's Book of Life. They don't want to come. They say they do. I can say I want to fight Mike Tyson in his prime. Put me in the ring and I'll probably change my tune. When the moment of the true time of making your choice comes, when those people have to truly decide, and it's right then, it's then or now or never. They don't get to come back later and make their choice. It's right then. It's roll down your collar or roll up your sleeve. Those tares who you think are gonna fight it out until they're forced down onto the ground and beheaded for their beliefs. Those people you think are going to do that, but they can't talk about the times we're in right now. They can't judge for themselves what's right. They're rolling up their sleeve when that time comes, my Mishpika. Yes, it's sad. It is. I'm going to mourn, but I'm not going to gnash my teeth. And about a year ago, if you would have asked me that, I would have said I would have been gnashing my teeth, because I would think that I hadn't done enough to try to convince those people otherwise. I have. I've tried hard, and like I've said before, you know, it only feels good when you stop beating your head up against a brick wall. You can keep on doing it and be the definition of insane. You can keep going back to those people who are tares and pleading with them. But you know the outcome. You know the result. You're going to be walking away confused and depressed and saddened. If you want to keep doing that, be my guest. But I pray you don't. I pray that you do keep on fighting this good fight. Keep on esteeming the Most High and His Messiah, the name of the Most High, and the reign of heaven. And yes, tell the truth, speak the truth, whether it cost you your life or not. Keep speaking it boldly, with confidence. But stop beating your head up against a brick wall. If you are truly wheat, I need you. I'm gonna need you. The rest of us need you. And we're not, and you're not going to be any good to us if you're overcome by the fact that some of your loved ones are somewhere gnashing their teeth. That is just a fact of life that we're all going to have to face and overcome. The tares are the proud. If you're too proud to listen to someone, if you go on someone's channel, or if you see someone that's telling you something about the Maxines or any of these related topics, and you're unwilling to listen to them because they were wrong about something last time you talked to them, or they name like this, or they keep the Shabbat on this day. You're proud. You're someone who is going to roll your collar down. Oh, I know you don't want to believe so. I know. But if you're too proud to even listen to that person because they were wrong a couple days ago, you're too proud to not want to have your cake and eat it too. You're going to try to sneak your way into the kingdom. You might be one of those people that go up, make your appointment for your vaccine without no one knowing, sneak up there and get it. But guess what? Those of us who are true children of the Most High, we will know. Just like you can smell the Most High on us, we can smell the enemy on you. You get that stuck in your system, there'll be no hiding it. Just remember that. I'm out for now. I love y'all, Mishpachah. Shalom, shalom. Peace out. Be out.